morning, guys. Today I'm gonna make scrambled eggs with bacon and mushroom. Okay, to start. Okay, we're gonna add the butter. Guys, so this is a scrambled egg. Ingredients, guys, have butter, onions, spring onions, tomatoes, mushroom. I put salt and black pepper, and then the bacon. I'm gonna add the onions first. Lettuce. Potatoes, and then the spring onions. Guys, we're gonna cook the tomatoes. I want the tomatoes with the bacon. It's super yummy, guys. Look at the two. Guys, with bacon and mushroom. Look at that one. It's super yummy. Scrambled eggs with bacon and mushroom is done. We don't need to overcook of ingredients. The bacon, tomatoes, onions, spring onions, and then we use butter, black pepper, and salt. So we're gonna taste it, guys. It's yummy. Guys, so this is our scrambled eggs with bacon and mushroom. It's done. There's already a very nice taste or delicious. Okay, it's good enough. Okay. Scrambled eggs with bacon and mushroom is done. So thank you for watching and see you tomorrow for another recipe. Bye bye.